So I heard that you can actually create React applications with NativeScript. React NativeScript. Well, this is true, but in order to do that, you've had to follow a set of steps that are outlined on the React NativeScript website. But as of a couple of days ago, the new version of the CLI, the NativeScript CLI, lets you create React apps right from the CLI create command. Here we go. I have TNS version 6.7.6 installed right now. And if I say TNS create demo react -- react, the option React is not supported. Okay, so let's grab the latest CLI. Now I still have to use sudo command on my machine. You might not have to on yours, but on mine I have it set up so I have to use it. Sudo npm install NativeScript -g. There's my password. Okay, and let's check the version of NativeScript now. 6.7.8, so I'm up to date as of the latest CLI version right now. Let's try that create command again, shall we? TNS create demo react -- react. Enter. Well, something is happening. I didn't get an error message. That's a good sign, right? Well, it's more than that. It's more than just a good sign. This is actually going to work, and I'll show that to you in a second. But now, what this means is that the React command is now part of the NativeScript CLI, and we have official React NativeScript template hosted in the NativeScript repositories that can now scaffold out a brand new React NativeScript application. And this is done now. I'm going to CD into that project. Demo React. Pop this open in Visual Studio Code. This is a brand new React NativeScript project. We have the React NativeScript Webpack config. We have a Webpack config, TS config. Let's take a look at the package.json file. You'll see here we have dependencies, React as a dependency, React NativeScript, and a bunch of dev dependencies. There's types for React. So yeah, this is going to support React with TypeScript. You get all the goodies. If we take a look at the bootstrapping code, you'll see that we are importing React from React, and we've got the React NativeScript library in there, providing the special sauce. I did an interview with the creator of React NativeScript, Jamie Birch, out of the UK. He's a really, really talented developer. You can check out that interview on this channel. Go back a couple months. I think that was around February, before this crazy pandemic hit. And if you always wanted to play with React in NativeScript, giving you the power of direct native API access that you get with NativeScript, yet using React as the UI framework on top of that, this is the perfect option for that. Let's take a look at one of the components here. Here is a TSX file. And yes, this template uses TSX and Sass for styling. So we have our layouts here, and then the strings and all the fun goodies that you get with NativeScript. But now you're able to use React and React syntax. Thanks for making this, Jamie, by the way. This is great. I'm going to go ahead and run this. TNS run iOS.
A few moments later.
And once the application starts up, here we are. We have the app running in a simulator, and we have a button here that you can tap. Of course, this being NativeScript, these are all native components, but using React. So go ahead and grab this and check it out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about React NativeScript. I'm sure Jamie would love to hear it as well. You can find him on Twitter. I'll leave his Twitter name down below as well. Keep an eye out for frequent updates on the NativeScript CLI and the NativeScript framework going forward. I'll be back with more news on this channel with all the latest happenings on NativeScript. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.